I'm Leanna Greenaway. Why not magically make your desires come true this All Hallows Eve by casting some wish spells? On separate pieces of paper, write down your family member's name and their wish. Example, if your partner wants a new job, write his name at the top and to get a new job underneath. Do this for every member of the family, and on the night of Halloween, invite everyone to dinner and place the wishes on the table. Light a white candle for each member and then let them burn down. Don't blow them out. Once they have, give each person their written wish and tell them to keep it for a year. This spell really works, but do be realistic. Remember, genuine wishes are the ones that often come true. If you'd like to learn more about the Wiccan festivals, my co-author Sean Robbins and I have written a series of books on witchcraft. The Crystal Witch tells you all about these festivals and how to go about casting spells to improve your life.